Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video you'll be able to use a formula to find the area of a triangle. So we're going to use this formula here, the area being equal to the base times the height of the triangle, and all of that divided by 2. It can help to take a look at a rectangle that is formed using the base and the height of a triangle to understand why it is that we divide everything in half at the end of the formula. So if you take a look here at this triangle, we can see that the base has been mirrored up here to form that line, and then the height line over here has been mirrored over here to form this rectangle going all the way around. So if I were to multiply the base times the height, that would give me, or that would tell us how many square units fit all the way inside the surface of the rectangle. But as you can see, the triangle is only half of that space, so that's why we're going to always be dividing by 2. So let's try this out with this triangle here. And I always start by writing down the formula first and then looking at the shape to see what the values are that we can plug into the formula. So the area is equal to the base times the height, all of that divided by 2. So I can see here that my base is 6 centimeters long and my height is 4 centimeters. Now all of that I'm going to divide by 2. So we do the multiplication first. 4 times 6 is 24 square centimeters, and then we're going to divide that in half. So 24 square centimeters would be able to fit inside this whole area. And now when we divide everything in half, 12 square centimeters is what we would need to fill the triangular shape inside that rectangle. Okay, now let's try another problem. This one is a little bit trickier because we have a decimal. But I'm going to start again by just writing down the formula. The area is going to be equal to the base times the height, and all of that divided by 2. So let's take a look. We can see the bottom of the triangle, or the base, is 12 5/10 feet long. So 12 and a half, or 12 5/10 feet, times the height. So the top to the bottom, we're going to use this perpendicular line right here, is 20 feet. All of that we're going to divide by 2. So now we're going to go ahead and take care of the calculations. If you want to pause the video here and try the multiplication and division on your own, you can pause here and then come back to check your answer. But I'm going to go over to the side here and take care of my multiplication. So 20 times 12.5, and I'm going to be careful with my decimal. So 0 times all of that is 0, and now I'm here looking at the 2. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and 2 times 1 is 2. But since I have this decimal here, I need to make sure that I have one digit after the decimal in my answer. So I can get rid of the decimal since there's just a 0 here after it. So we have 250 square feet would fit inside the rectangular area that you can see with the dotted lines going all around here. But we have to divide that in half because the triangle shape is only taking up half of that space. So 250 divided by 2 is 125 feet squared. So that is the formula for the area of a triangle. If this video was helpful, please like, share, or subscribe, and we will see you the next time.